Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing these rear window louvers from AmericanMuscle.com on my 2007 Mustang. Alright guys, so we're going to start by just cleaning the glass here. So I got a soft cloth, which is just a little t-shirt, and some glass cleaner. Just going to make sure get everything off. If you got any stickers on before, you might want to get a little razor blade. Make sure you get all the residue off from that. Alright, next up, once you have the glass clean, is we're going to use these little alcohol prep pads that came with the louvers. And we're going to wipe down the edges of the glass where the stickers are going to be put on at. Alright, once the alcohol is dry, which shouldn't be too long, probably about 1 or 2 minutes, you're going to want to repeat the same process using this 3M adhesion promoter. Alright, next up is what you're going to want to do is lay louvers down upside down, and these nuts are going to come on the brackets a little tight, so you're going to need an 8mm wrench to loosen those. Then basically, come right here, lay that there, and you're just going to hand tighten all 8 of them, just like that. So here's another one, just going to hand tighten. Right now, there's no need to fully tighten them down with the wrench. Also, a little side note, there is a small washer on these, and some of them may be stuck to the bracket a little bit. You're just going to need to pry those out. And those are going to go on the outside of the louvers, just like that. Alright, next up, what we're going to do is peel the tape off of all these. Once again, you're going to want to make sure that they're finger tight, just so when you put them on, they're not going to be moving around a bunch. Alright, next thing we got to do is we're going to take it back off. These are all finger tight, so it shouldn't be a problem. So loosen up each of these brackets, and we're going to take off the louver. Alright, so if you do make a mistake like this, brackets a little turned around, they do give you an extra one. So what we're going to do is we're going to scrape this one off. We're going to put this on the louver and then put the louver back on here on each of the brackets. Same thing that we did last time, so you're going to peel this off, put that adhesion stuff on it, put it on there the right way this time. Alright, next step, what you're going to do is you're going to get this 3M clear super silicone sealant that came with the louver kit, and you're going to want to go around each bracket and put a little line where the bracket touches the glass. Alright guys, there we go, all done, sealed up all 8 brackets. There you go. And now we're going to wait for this to cure for about 24 hours. So, see you guys tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? Now it's been 24 hours. It is tomorrow and it's time to put the louvers on. Good. Here we go guys, all done with the louvers on. Looks good, didn't take too long. I said open up the trunk, put on the washers and nuts, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you could please like and subscribe, that'd help out a lot. And if you have any comments, questions, or tips for me going forward in the future, if you could please leave that in the comments section, I'd appreciate it. And I'll link my 2 Instagram pages in the description below. And see you next time. Peace out.